Back to our channel. Today we're gonna make Egyptian sausage, and then we have it here. It's a little bit smaller than the American and Italian sausage, and we have some mixed color peppers, parsley, chopped onions, and spicy peppers, garlic, and tomatoes. We heated up the oil. We're gonna add the Egyptian sausage. The sausage is a little bit cooked, then we're going to add some mixed peppers, and some spicy peppers. Again, the spicy peppers are optional. If you want to, you can add it. If you don't like spicy food, you don't have to add it. And now we're going to add some more onions. And some garlic, and then you let everything cook together. You also add your spices if there's salt, pepper, and then once it's cooked, we'll come back to show you how. Now that the sausage is cooked a little bit, we're going to add the tomatoes. And once you add the tomatoes, it's about 5 more minutes before the dish is completely cooked. And here's the final look at our sausage, Egyptian sausage. I hope you try the recipe and you like it. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you try the recipe, please comment on the video and let us know your thoughts. We'll see you next video. Goodbye.